welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be hair related. As you can tell, my hair is pretty much blown out, and your girl's going to do like a before and after / product review of the Duvolle Impulse Professional Flat Iron. They politely reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to review one of their flat irons, and of course your girl said yes, because who doesn't want a new flat iron, because I use it all the time. So basically, I did wash, condition, and blow dry my hair, and this is the result. If you guys do remember, I did cut my hair a few months ago, so that is why it looks like so. So it's in the stage of growing back. But anywho, I'm going to do a review over this Impulse flat iron, so hopefully it gets the job done. I do have a coupon code down below just in time for the holiday season. You can get 70% off if you use the code down below. I've also put it in the screen, and it's a good deal because they have different products. Basically, they have flat irons, wands, curling irons, facials, spin brushes, and things like that. So you can get 70% off if you use my code. And y'all, this flat iron ranges for $195, so get you one, sis, and use the damn code. And yeah, so I have turned it on. First things first, I do like the fact that there is a dial. I would do like a close-up for as like the unboxing and things like that, but I do like the fact that there's a dial with different temperatures. So this flat iron goes up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. I personally do not flat iron my hair that high anyway, so I'm going to keep mine on 360. I've already applied my heat protectant as well, so I'm pretty much liking this, and it is in fair, so you got like the little, I don't know if you can see it, but in the middle there. But anywho, heats up pretty quickly. Does have the 360 swivel cord, which is a plus because I hate that with different flat irons. This grip is pretty darn comfortable, I will say that. So loving this already, because your girl hands has been on 10 for us cramping with this pregnancy. So yeah, go ahead and jump right into this video. Let me turn on me some music, and sis, let's do it. Say that I really do like the fact that it has a very smooth glide to this bad boy. It's literally gliding through my hair like butter, if that makes sense. I usually only do 2 passes per piece of hair, and the key with flat iron, y'all, because your girl did go top out, just go. Yeah, so if you guys follow me on Snapchat, then you guys have seen me do a few people's hair, like far as like silk presses and things like that. And honestly, y'all, the key to that is blow drying and taking your time with that, as well as taking your time as flat iron. But with this iron, I'm really not seeing the fact of having to go pretty slow, because baby, it's sliding like butter. One thing that I will say that I wish that they had would be a smaller inch just for your edges, because baby, you know, we got kinky edges, sis. But that's not a problem. I will manage. But yeah, for the most part, I'm loving it. There's no tugging or pulling on my hair, because you know, with some flat irons, you have that one strand that will get caught in the flat iron somehow and it will tug it, but I have not experienced any of that right now, and so good so far. So well, so far, Lord, so far so good. Get together, Asia. Y'all don't mind me, I'm pregnant. But yeah, this is bomb. So this will probably be hella good for someone with very kinky hair because you can get that high temperature. But y'all, like I said, now I done did some silk presses now, and you really don't need that high heat if you take your time and blow dry it silky straight, not silky straight, but bone straight, and take your time flat ironing in little chunks. But other than that, this would be a bomb flat iron for pretty much any hair type, in my opinion, honestly. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this, and I will see you guys back shortly. Peace. So this is pretty much it after flat ironing my hair. So I will go ahead and turn around. So this will be the after. Like I said, I only do 2 passes per section. The only con I would have to say is that the company should have a smaller inch just to get my roots, because I did have to reach in my cabinet and get my other flat iron, but it is what it is. I still like it. Lit like butter through my hair, and I definitely love it. So yeah, this is the after. So my hair still has a lot of volume and bounce to it. You know, some flat irons, they just flat iron your hair very stiffly and it's stuck. But this definitely has my hair very bouncy and full of volume, and I love it. So if you guys are interested, then please check out the coupon codes I will list it here in the video, as well as down in the description box for 70% off, y'all. So this is perfect for Christmas gifts, just because gifts. Hell, if your flat iron just went out yesterday, get it, sis. Like I said, they have a few other options on the website that you can choose from. But yeah, I give this flat iron 2 thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.